The XRP wealth window is closing fast. Are you ready for what's coming? Have you ever looked back at an investment opportunity and thought, if only I had acted sooner? History is filled with moments when a new technology emerged. Most people ignored it, and a small group of believers positioned themselves early. Years later, everyone wished they had seen what was coming. Today, many investors believe XRP could be approaching one of those moments. But before we go any further, this is not financial advice. Every investment carries risk, and nobody can predict the future with certainty. However, understanding what is happening around XRP right now may help you make more informed decisions about the rapidly changing world of finance. The global financial system moves trillions of dollars every day. Yet much of that system still relies on technology that was designed decades ago. Cross-border payments can take days to settle. Fees can be expensive. Intermediaries often slow down transactions. For businesses and financial institutions operating across multiple countries, these inefficiencies create enormous costs. This is where XRP enters the conversation. The vision behind XRP has always been ambitious. Instead of waiting days for money to move internationally, what if transfers could settle in seconds? Instead of requiring multiple intermediaries, what if transactions could be completed with far greater efficiency? These questions have attracted attention from investors, financial institutions, and technology enthusiasts around the world. While the cryptocurrency market often focuses on speculation, XRP has frequently been discussed in terms of utility. Its supporters argue that real-world adoption could become one of its greatest strengths. And that possibility is exactly why many investors continue watching it closely. But there is another factor that cannot be ignored: timing. In every financial cycle, opportunities appear before the majority recognizes them. Once public awareness reaches its peak, much of the early advantage may already be gone. That doesn't guarantee success, but it explains why experienced investors often spend more time studying trends than following headlines. When headlines become overwhelmingly positive, the biggest moves have sometimes already occurred. The question is whether XRP is still in the early stages of a larger transformation or whether expectations have already become fully priced in. No one knows for sure, yet the conversation continues growing. Around the world, digital assets are receiving increasing attention from governments, regulators, financial institutions, and major corporations. Blockchain technology is no longer viewed as a niche experiment. It is becoming part of a broader discussion about the future of money itself. This shift matters because adoption often occurs gradually at first. Then suddenly, think about smartphones. Think about social media. Think about online shopping. For years, growth seemed slow. Then one day, it felt as though everyone was using them. Technology adoption rarely follows a straight line. Instead, it often follows an exponential curve. Many XRP supporters believe digital finance could follow a similar pattern. They see a future where value moves across borders as easily as information moves across the internet today. Whether that vision becomes reality remains uncertain, but the potential implications are enormous. Imagine a world where international transactions settle almost instantly. Imagine businesses reducing operational costs. Imagine financial systems becoming more connected than ever before. These possibilities help explain why digital assets continue attracting attention despite market volatility. And volatility is something every crypto investor must understand. Prices can rise dramatically. Prices can fall dramatically. Emotions can become dangerous. Fear causes people to sell too early. Greed causes people to buy too late. Successful investors often focus on discipline rather than excitement. They develop a plan, they manage risk, and they avoid making decisions based purely on emotion. This lesson applies to XRP just as much as any other investment. The biggest opportunities often require patience. Markets move in cycles. There are periods of enthusiasm, periods of doubt, periods of fear, and periods of renewed optimism. Those who survive long enough to benefit are often the ones who remain focused during uncertainty. Another reason XRP continues attracting attention is its connection to the broader evolution of global finance. The financial world is changing rapidly. Artificial intelligence is transforming industries. Digital payments are becoming more common. Central banks are exploring digital currencies. Financial infrastructure is evolving faster than many people realize. As this transformation unfolds, investors are constantly searching for assets that may benefit from these changes. Some believe XRP could be one of them. Others remain skeptical. That disagreement is normal. Every major innovation faces criticism before widespread acceptance. The internet faced criticism. Online banking faced criticism. Even smartphones faced criticism. Healthy skepticism is important because it forces investors to ask difficult questions. At the same time, ignoring innovation completely can sometimes be costly. The challenge is finding the balance between caution and opportunity. This is where research becomes essential. Not social media hype, not emotional predictions, not unrealistic promises. Research, understanding the technology, understanding the risks, understanding the competitive landscape, and understanding your own financial goals. Because ultimately, the most important investment decision is not what everyone else believes. It is what you believe after careful study and thoughtful consideration. The future remains unwritten. No one can guarantee where XRP will be next year. No one can guarantee where it will be 5 years from now. But one thing is certain. The financial world is changing. Digital assets are becoming impossible to ignore, and opportunities often appear long before the majority recognizes their significance. Perhaps XRP becomes a major part of the future financial system. Perhaps it doesn't. But investors who take the time to learn, adapt, and stay informed will always place themselves in a stronger position than those who simply wait for certainty. Because certainty usually arrives after opportunity has already passed. The wealth window may not stay open forever. The question is not whether the future is coming. The future is already arriving. The real question is this: when history looks back on this moment, will you be able to say that you were ready? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights about finance, investing, and the future of digital assets.
The future of digital assets has never been clearer. Look closely. This is where wealth is built. The future of finance. Let us build your wealth. The market never sleeps. But a new era of digital assets is dawning. The future of finance waits for no one.